Sira literally. Yeah, it's inside of here. Where do I say? It's like this is.
I can't remember your.
What?
And on top of it, fruit. Stuff like
This is crazy. Yeah.
we work.
So crazy. Yep. This little baby. Very healthy. Actually shocked. She likes you. The baby. She's scratching. She's itching. Funny. What is this? Begin. Oh yeah.
And like I
Scarf. Oh, it's so beautiful in here. Wow. I'm so happy. Getting. Good morning. My skin is nice and ooey gluey because I just washed my face. So today we have, well, today and this weekend, I have an eventful weekend. I am super excited. So it is Easter long weekend. Do I have moisturizer on my skin? Okay. It is Easter long weekend here and I work for the government. So I have 4 long days off, okay? And I just have so much freaking energy. So today, me and Arina and her husband are going to this cafe. Girl, when I tell you I've been obsessing over these pictures, like I've never been, but I would just love to. Anyways, I'm just here in bed and we are meeting up at 12:30. It is 9:14. They're so nice to pick me up. Thank you guys. So I'm trying out these magnetic lashes. This is what Sira got me. So they have different styles. They have like normal wear to like abnormal to party wear. And you know me, I'm used to these ones, right? So I'm thinking just a little bit more subtle. So I'm probably gonna up here. I've never used magnetic lashes. Ooh, it is hot in here. I've never used magnetic lashes before, but my girl Jackie Naturals here on YouTube, she always shows a bunch of tutorials. What's that? Oh, there's tips. Oh, as I was speaking about it, it tells you how to do it. Okay, but I've seen her do it, and you're supposed to obviously shake the bottle with the magnetic eyeliner. You put it on like eyeliner, you let it dry completely, and then you just magnetic lashes. So we're gonna try that out. I don't even know what kind of makeup I want to do. Let's see. I'm wearing blue and black, so I might try like a nice darker look. So I went with this look, you know, just a little shimmer to match my navy blue and then the black and everything. And I'm gonna show you guys me using the magnetic lashes for the first time. These are so cool. Like, you know, when you usually pull them off of like the holder, like they get stuck, the glue, sometimes they rip, whatever. Like, look, it's literally magnets. Oh, it's not going. Okay, fine. Okay. Let me show you how I put them on because I want you guys to see my full first reaction. Well, I usually like to record me getting ready, but it sucks because when I play music, I have to play it off YouTube because my iPod broke, sad face. So I can't record and play music at the same time. So it was nice because they gave 2 of these magnetic glues just in case. Because you know we gonna be using this every day. This makes getting ready in the morning so much easier. I don't wear lashes to work, but if I did, it would be easier. Okay, so now we just let this dry, so I'm gonna do my lipstick in the meantime. So I've been loving the natural lip combo. So for dark skin ladies, dark skin girls, you usually use a darker liner for the outer lip and then use like a nude color. It makes this like natural ombre effect, and then you can put a gloss or you can leave it matte. I've just been loving that look, especially when my outfit is a little vibrant. I don't like to do red lip all the time. Like red lip on me looks clownish for some reason. I've been liking the neutral, especially for work. So you can leave it like that, or you can line it in a little bit more for that ombre effect. Actually, I think this is eyeliner. It is eyeliner. Yeah, so you can use anything, honestly. Like, it's eyeliner. You don't need a lip liner, because lip liners don't usually come this dark. So like that. And then I just bought this new one. It's the NYX Butter Gloss in Ginger Snap. I ain't a makeup guru, okay? But anyways, I have this one in the lighter shade and I love it. And it's almost running out. And I was like, you know what? I really wish I could have bought a darker one. And then they came out with a darker one and I bought it. I love these glosses. NYX has the best like lip colors, I swear. And you just clean it up a bit. This is my birthmark. Is that funny? A lot of people, they're always like, oh, you have lipstick on your lip. No, girl, that is my skin. I was born like this. It's giving gothic today, but I really like it. Look, it's a natural nude. Let's try to put on these lashes, okay? Gives you a little tweezer. I don't think you need them, honestly, like adjust them. And the tweezer is metal, so of course the lash sticks to the metal. Okay, I need to put you down for this. I chose the one that has kind of like a cat eye, so it's shorter here, longer here, and that's just how I like it. Mine are almond shaped. I can't see anything. I need sunlight. Wow, that was incredibly easy. That's crazy. I'm gonna text Sira right now. I'm gonna be like, girl. And you know what's funny? I always carry like extra. So I've been using the Duo glue. It looks like black eyeliner. Game changer for black girls. But I've been carrying that in my purse because in case the eyelashes ever fall off, you don't want to be caught slipping like that, ladies. Holy crap. Guys, this is a game changer. Holy crap. Look at that. Whoa. Whoa. I need to text Sira right now. I need to text her right now. Sira, I am literally dying. I just used the magnetic lashes. Look at this, girl. So freaking easy. Like, what? This is crazy. And I use the like more subtle, you know me. I would go all out, but I just want to try it at first. Girl, thank you. Life-changing. Oh my god, guys, remember how I had a hard time wearing my lashes with my glasses? Like, look, that just annoys me. Like, look what I can do. And just put it on later. Oh, this is genius. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god! Wow!
Oh my god. I've been excited since like 2 days ago. Yeah, it's inside of here. Oh, they got the Easter one.
Wow, I am
It's like, is this
Where's it?
sports bowl?
No. I mean, yes, but no.
It's nice.
Yeah, it is like right sidelines down and the whole floor. I can't remember. I forgot that we were going here first. I don't remember the food place. Is this the place where we're sitting down?
No, this is the market where you're getting groceries.
I forgot which one we went to. I just put in the app.
Oh my god.
Buy it. Ooh, pineapples. This lettuce, yeah, there was some, there's iceberg, all the greens,
And on top of it, it's like so you just freeze it, or I bake apple pies.
Smart.
Okay, I have to take a picture because you know I forgot I'm a reviewer.
She forgot.
No, because once someone Google would be like, oh my god, remember you're famous? I'm like, yes.
That looks so good.
She's gonna be filming you guys.
I'm filming me. Influencer life. Okay, let's try the falafel.
Just showing myself for
Yeah, that looks so
That's
good.
also how I know about Pure Kitchen because we work with them as well.
Making it hot. So dip it in what? Tahini or the hummus?
But did you taste the falafel? It's the best thing in the world.
See, I would need to eat it hot. So how do you reheat it?
Oven.
Put it in the oven for a couple
Yeah,
minutes?
yeah.
So, just want the chickpea sign.
I just love business, especially food businesses. So
It's so crazy.
like it's
I like it. The door.
they just said them what.
So you're $6.99. Strawberries. The bakery. Whoa, those are huge.
Okay, I want bread. Which one?
I can't have bread. Yeah, I was gonna say. It's $1.99. I like it. I like the color.
Not too low for you.
Yeah, for sure.
Too low?
Yeah. Okay, hold on. Okay, can feel this out. So I like that. Too.
I like this.
Yeah, it's nice. It's just a little too.
Well, you see, one day,
So weird.
this one here comes with a.
Yep.
That's gonna burn the wall down.
This one's real too.
Yeah, $24. So I'm just waiting for Sira to pull up, but we are going to the experimental farm. I'm so freaking excited. And the weather is so nice. I don't even think I have to wear a jacket outside. And they have the baby animals. It's called Easter at the farm. They have all the new baby animals. There's like chicks, goats, baby bunnies. So I'm so excited. Yeah.
I don't know about that.
I know, I was like, activities. Who's your buddy?
Where's your flag?
Whoa. It's a big boy.
Don't touch their.
Unless I don't feed them. They look like they got fashionable boots. Yeah, I think we just touch them. Whoa! Seriously, they got like a playground.
I'm just scared he's gonna. They're so mean.
I did.
That's pretty.
Try it. Just try it. It looks mean. Oh, seriously? Oh wow. Okay, maybe they did that on purpose.
For kids?
This little baby. Her little baby.
I don't know why they have people all over.
I don't know. Oh my god, the little
Have you ever
baby.
milked a cow before?
No, but I would like to.
Yeah, they're fun. Such a pretty cow.
That looks very healthy. Very healthy cow.
Oh my god.
Mama?
Look at that head.
Hi, Mama.
I don't put my hand through, but this one's gonna come and chop it.
She might actually lick you.
Hello. I think they're very,
Yeah, she might lick you. Put your hand out.
I'm scared.
Hello.
Okay. Are you
What she
scratching yourself? Are you
likes?
scratching?
No, she likes it. That is so cute. Oh, she likes it. Wow. Actually shocked. She likes it.
She's so beautiful. Oh my god, you're gorgeous.
She likes you.
Do I get a lick?
blushes. You're the tongue. The tongue. She's scratchy. She's itchy. Yeah, look. Oh no! But they don't know. To them, they're Anna. She's being fed. I don't think whales can hear live. So pretty. Yeah, these are pretty. Imagine it, and then it falls. And then he comes to eat it. Chicks and rabbits. Oh my god, it's so cute in here. Oh my god. He wasn't that big. There you go. Oh, that one's huge. Yeah, you just. Bunny!
Yes? No, you. Yeah, look at me. Oh my god. Wait, watch him. See what he's doing.
It's being when they yawn. This is how my bunny felt. I'm so shocked. He loves attention. Oh, so calm. When they yawn, they're so cute. Oh, he's so soft. This is how my bunny felt. He's so soft. I'm so shocked. He loves attention.
Here, watch this dad.
Okay. They used to have a baby bunny too. What? They're so calm. No. 13.
Yeah, I'm scared to get covered. Look, I don't think
I'm good. They're trying to get warm. Oh, those are those feathered ones. Have you seen them? It's like they're like a really feathery. It's true. Why isn't that focusing?
But I've never really been a bone pig, so I did not know this. Yeah, I'm scared to get peckered. Look, I don't think
I'm good. They're trying to get warm.
Yeah. Like toxins. I'm a bone pig, so I did not know this.
He's eating what? No, he's drinking water.
Oh, water's kind of smell bad though.
What does this smell like?
It smells like hay. It also smells like shit. The other one smelled like piss. And it was like a stinging smell. I don't know how to explain it.
I know.
I don't know how to start the make.
I think so.
That's for the
Big animals.
big bladders.
This one's name's Sarah.
Oh, hi Sarah.
I just want to pet it. Do
Do they know their names, do you think?
Maybe. Can I pet you? Aw, thank you.
Your scarf girl.
Oh, yeah. You just want my scarf, don't you? Sorry, girl.
Give me a hold.
No, you guys don't want to
Sarah's like, give me all the cuddles. Aw.
Seriously, you guys have a better love life than me. I'm down, I'll go. Hey, baby. Aisley.
Oh, this kind of gives me like
Right? That's what I was saying. Yeah. That's why when I saw it, I was like,
and like I
So I'm gonna Google. Can I touch you? Oh, he wants my scarf. That's not for you. The sun is sunning. So we just went and visited the agriculture museum and we got to see all the animals.
they were super cute.
Girl, how did the pig farm smell?
Like ass. Like ass and feces and like
Dirt.
pee. Oh.
But I was like, oh, this is fine. This this is
Yeah,
a
but
normal
she
day.
has a different tolerance when it comes to smell, okay?
So now we're gonna go to the, we're gonna try to find the greenhouse and then explore with that.
Yeah, a little bit of something like that.
There you go. Really? Where? Oh, it's so beautiful in here. I told you it's hot. You should trust me, girl.
You're right.
It's because they're tropical plants, so they have to. So I'm getting a couple plants like these for my office at home. Yeah. You know, this would be really pretty for picture. Non-potable.
We have to specify because people try it. Ugh, the sun with black people meant. Mwah, mwah.
Girl, this year, orange.
Oh yeah.
System of some sort. Very scientific. I like the information.